The Ohio State University. Countless hours of lecture, homework, and studying every week. As Ohio State students, we invest a lot of time and effort into the classroom day in and day out. But for some students, factors such as learning disabilities, physical ailments, and language barriers impact their ability to collect and synthesize vital information in the classroom. SmartNotes allows these students to assemble quality notes straight from the lecturer's mouth. Using OpenAI's newly released Whisper API, this device takes audio input from a microphone at the front of the classroom and transcribes it to text. Using GPT 3.5 Turbo, OpenAI's latest addition to the Chat API collection, SmartNotes actively summarizes the text stream and live streams lecture notes to your computer. The device listens to every word the lecturer says and revises the notes in real time. The microphone continuously records the spoken lecture and transcribes it to text in individual sentences. Those sentences are then passed to our Google Firebase to be summarized into organized notes. The Firebase calls cloud functions backed by GPT 3.5 Turbo to gauge context on the information being passed. From there, the information is summarized and added to the lecture notes, and recently parsed notes may be altered to reflect this new content. Once the lecture notes are finalized, the Firebase makes another request to the Turbo chat model to ask if any of the provided notes need additional information, diagrams, or images. This additional information is web scraped using Azure's Bing Search API, and the supplemental information is presented in URL format below each topic. The lecture notes are presented to the client on the SmartNotes web app.
Just a couple of reminders before we start class. Homework 5 is due tomorrow, and we have a midterm next week, so make sure you start studying. Today's topic is Boolean algebra. We're going to start by talking about the logical OR operation. Here you can see the truth table for OR. It's two inputs, A and B. When A is 0 and B is 0, A plus B is 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, A plus B is 1. A is 1 and B is 0.
Era un adulto, pero todo el tiempo estaba de malas y estresada y con prisa. Esos eran mis juegos. Porque así pensaba que era la vida del adulto. Y pues...
Students and teachers from all over the world come together to learn and grow in the classroom. Because of this, there sometimes exists a language barrier between student and teacher that clouds the information being presented in class. Whisper's API's ability to transcribe text through accents and translate between languages gives these students a much better opportunity to learn. SmartNotes also offers a hands-free tutor bot which supplies personalized responses to any questions related to academia.
What is the difference between PMOS and NMOS?
Students can pull up the tutor bot while reviewing their notes to clarify any questions they may have about new content. SmartNotes is a one-of-a-kind note-taking software that allows students to learn and explore academics regardless of their limitations. In this challenge, we were pretty limited with hardware, but with more time and resources, we would like to include more of a video cross-reference with the audio input to provide a more complete summary of each lecture.